Church is canceled, obviously. I don't know why. Oh, I couldn't see out the window a second ago. Now I can see out the window. Darn. Never mind. It's not as crazy as I thought it was. I looked out the window and all I saw was this. Never mind. Okay, well. That's really cool.
Remember that at the beginning of verse 2 it says, every branch in me that does.
That's crazy.
Sled.
Wow. Man, too bad I can't use my phone with these gloves. I can't, I'm stuck in them. I told you that. I'm stuck in these gloves. Hey, you film.
Okay.
If you would. I don't know, for the funsies. I'm taking out my trash. Wow. It's not even powdered snow, it's just ice on top of snow.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Okay. You're too close to the camera.
Maybe you're too close to me. Okay. I'm telling you, it doesn't zoom out far enough. It's like zoomed in. You can.
Huh?
You can stop the recording.
Okay.
It's really pretty. Look, it's icicles. Look at this. This is frozen. It's cool. The little thing on the ground came from this tree.
Oh yeah.
Cool. I'm coming, don't worry. Look at the... Wait. Look at the icicles on the swing set. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh! Oh! Did he break it? Did he break the sled?
The sled, no!
Oh my gosh. That's insane. Caleb. That's, how does that break so bad? There's so many pieces. It's so...
It was just a really flimsy piece of fabric for like kids, and I'm a grown man sitting on it. That's cool. Alright, well, I guess we bring it back like this.
What do you do? Oh, didn't even like crack.
Oh,
He doesn't want.
got a piece of ice.
Yeah, essentially.
You ready?
Oh. What do you do? Nice.
Oh, sick.
Or he just chucking ice.
Ready? Yeah. Wait, Kyle, come stand under me.
What?
Hey guys, you want in on this game? Come stand under this. I'm gonna throw it up in the air, and then we all run.
Oh.
Come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here. Try it. Try it. No, come here, son. Here.
Oh gosh. Oh my god.
That was fun. You want to do it again, Kyle? Yeah, bro. Think fast.
Oh gosh. It's cold.
It is cold. You ready to go back?
Yeah.
I'll walk you back.
Okay.
You can walk with this Kyle, or you can split off. It's up to you. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna give you a secret.
Look at that tree. It's beautiful.
Hey.
Oh.